In the salty sweet town of Sandyhollow, where seashells lined the sidewalks and seagulls sang lullabies, lived a bright-eyed bear cub named Leo. Leo wasn't just any bear cub, he was curious, brave, and full of big dreams. Every evening, Leo would sit on his rooftop and gaze at the giant lighthouse that stood tall on the cliff's edge. Its light swept across the sea like a protective hug for every sailor, fisherman, and dolphin below. Leo's dream? To become the next lighthouse keeper like his grandpa Bruno, who once saved a whole fleet during the Great Fog. Leo, whispering to the stars, "One day, I'll shine the light and guide everyone home." One blustery night, as thunder rumbled far away, Leo was reading his book, How Lighthouses Work, and Other Bright Ideas, when he noticed something strange. The lighthouse's beam was gone. No spinning light. No glowing beam. Just darkness. Leo, gasping. "Oh no. The light's out, and a storm's rolling in." He raced to the old radio in the town hall and listened. "This is Captain Coral aboard the Seafoam Spirit, we've lost visibility. We can't see the coast." Leo's paws trembled. Without the lighthouse, the boats could crash on the rocks. He gulped and made a decision. "I may be small, but I have to help." Leo couldn't do it alone. So he raced through the pouring rain to gather his friends. Ruby the rabbit, the fastest in Sandyhollow and clever with directions. Finn the fox, a quiet genius who fixed clocks, kites, and even the town's popcorn machine. Milo the mole, shy but brave, and the best digger in all of Whisker Valley. The lighthouse light is out. The storm's coming. We need to fix it, together. Ruby bounced in place. "Let's zoom." Finn nodded. "We'll need tools." Milo gulped. I'll try." And so, they set off toward the cliff. When they arrived, the old lighthouse groaned in the wind. The stairs creaked. The windows rattled. And inside, the power generator was broken, its gears jammed and soaked with rainwater. The motor's corroded. "It won't spin the light until we reroute the power." "I saw a spare bulb in the shed, but it's across the muddy slope." "I can dig a shortcut under the hill to reach it faster." "I'll climb to the top and check the wiring." "We can do this, if we trust each other." Time ticked like thunder. The waves below were rising. Milo tunneled bravely through the muddy earth, shaking but determined. Ruby zipped into the shed, grabbed the bulb, and darted back like lightning. Finn rewired the panel and called up, "Ready, Leo. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!"